I'm Esmonde-White and welcome to a workout for your decade of the 70s. See how that liberates your shoulders? So you breathe in. Now as you exhale, relax the shoulder and pull up. So these exercises will liberate those joints so that you can just move without even thinking about moving. Lift the arm up. You'll feel it through the sides, so it'll tone your waist. Hope you lose a couple of inches. Use your feet, land solidly on the sole of your foot, so you have to be aware. Are you on the sole of your foot or are you wrong? Stretch those legs out, keeping your hand in front so that you don't roll backwards. Just slowly moving as much as you can. Okay? You do it. You stretch your body according to what feels right for your body.